Good morning, King's Kids, and happy Friday. I wanted to quickly jump on and show you guys these amazing tall candle holders that I found at my local Dollar Tree, which are so the in thing this season, and how I transformed them with something as simple as spray paint to make them look very, very high end. I love how they turned out. I love how they look in my living space and the brightness that they bring to my console and the contrast of the colors in the room. Guys, tell me what you think and head on over to your local Dollar Tree and grab these candle holders. Happy decorating.